Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your background or how to change your background in CapCut. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your CapCut application, and over here what you have to do is import your video. All you have to do is click on import and make sure you import your video. Alright, so over here I've already imported a video, so let me drag this to our timeline. First of all, I'll remove my audio. Alright, so here you can see we have our video. So what you can do to remove the background is over here you can see the option for video. Click over here and here you can see the option for remove busy. So the first step what you can do is click on this chroma key, and over here you can see the color picker option. Click on this icon and over here you can just pick any color. And here you can see the two options. You can see the intensity and shadow. So let's change the intensity to 1, and here you go, our background has been removed. So now what you can do is just import any image. So I'm just going to import this image over here, and let me do this and make this on the top, and there you go. As you can see, our video background has been changed. So this is our first method, and as you can see, this is not clean. So what you can do is there is another method for that. Just go to remove busy, and over here what you can do is click on auto removal, and now just wait for some time, and there you go. So yeah, as you can see, this is quite clean rather than chroma key. And here you can see our video background has been removed. So over here, that is how you'll be able to change your video background in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.